Alright, let's continue with what we have here. We have already done the installation. The installation is successfully done. So this is the next. This is the maybe batch video B. We're going to join it with the other video. It should be separated as it is. So we have our project successfully installed. Now that this is installed, what you do, creation of projects. You let's see. Enter the command ng generate ng new, then project name. After the successful installation of all the dependencies, you then open the project in your IDE. In our own case, VS Code. Alright, so this is it now. It's okay. We are done with this. Alright, let's take note of this is where we have our something here. I will close it and then we try to open it here. While it is opening, let me run the other project we want to look into. We want to kind of redesign. So, alright, it's trying to start. So here we are opening VS Code. We're going to open the project in our VS Code. So this, I already have an already opened project. I will close this. I'll close this project by saying close folder. So it will open this project completely, and then we open our own project. Ours is in this folder: Angular and Spring Boot and Spring Framework projects 2024 batch B. So open folder. Alright, it's opening folder. Then you come to D drive. I have two drives here. Then you check for Angular thing is down there. Angular Spring batch B. This is it, right? Select the folder. Oh, sorry, double click to not to. It's a mistake. That's not how to open it. Close folder, file, open folder, D, move down, Angular and dzip, double click for it to open a hand. Then this is the project folder. This is the one you open. So close this. Welcome. So this is our IDE. You really need to understand these things. This is our IDE. Before we explore these, let me try to run the application. Then we explore all the structures of the folders and all that. Sorry, yeah. So how do we now run? Come back to where we are reading from the documentation. So it says that all of your dependencies should be installed at the point which you can verify checking for the existence for node module folder in your project, so you can start your project by running the command. So this node module folder is the dependency manager that manages all your, these are all your dependencies. All these are needed, and these are the things it has to install for the project to come up, to start up. Then we have the SRC folder. We're going to discuss this shortly. Then immediately after that, we can now run our application by saying npm start. Why? Because in the package.json, here can you see in the package.json, it tells you what it says: start ng.what start build ng build, and then watch and all that for the test and the rest. So what you do is to come to the terminal here, click new terminal, and then what? Start running your application. Yes, I'm trying to minimize all this. So this is the terminal. Then you can now see ng start. Hey, what's happening? ng start. So then your application will start running. But then it has to build. You wait for it. You know, I opened VS Code. The system tends to be somehow slow. Sorry, it's not ng start. I'm going to use ng serve, not start. My own system uses ng serve. ng serve. Let me see whether this stipulate. Look at it here. It says start. You're going to use what? ng serve from the package.json. Some are using ng start, while other systems are, depending on what you've seen in your package, and then depending on your operating system as well. So it has finished loading. Now I'm opening it in this port, localhost port 42,000. That is 42,000 localhost. Look at it opening. So this is our system. This is our system, and this is our system really. So the installation is done, and we are now about to start the introductions of some folders, things like that. Let's see what's under essentials. JavaScript fundamentals, okay. Decorators and all that, condition rendering, and I've seen it. So you see, you learn everything from the site here. And that's what we'll be doing. Let me stop the video here, then we discuss.